In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot. This process is straightforward and will only take you about 5 minutes, but by the end of it, you'll be all set up to explore the capabilities of GPT-4 Turbo within Microsoft Copilot. So let's dive right in. First things first, you're going to need to open up Copilot. If you haven't already got it installed, make sure you do that. Copilot is Microsoft's AI-powered tool that helps streamline and enhance your workflow and productivity, leveraging various AI capabilities. To get started, simply locate Copilot in your usual applications or browser settings. Once it's open, we can move on to the next step, signing in. You'll want to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, this is a perfect opportunity to create one. Just head over to the sign-in page in Copilot and you'll be guided through the steps if you need to create a new account. Having a Microsoft account not only gives you access to Copilot, but also to a variety of other services and tools that Microsoft offers. Once you're signed in, it's time to configure the essential settings. Now you need to select GPT-4 from the drop-down menu. Usually this drop-down is located within Copilot's settings area. Here you'll find various AI options, and you need to choose GPT-4 Turbo. This selection is crucial because GPT-4 Turbo is designed to make your interaction more dynamic and faster, offering an efficient and engaging experience for your tasks, whether you're drafting texts, analyzing data, or brainstorming ideas. At this point, you are ready to start chatting with the AI. You'll notice that conversations with GPT-4 Turbo are smooth and intuitive. Whether you're seeking assistance with a project, needing creative input, or even just exploring the AI's capabilities, just type your queries or thoughts into the chat and let GPT-4 Turbo do its magic. It can provide information, generate ideas, or even just offer second opinions to improve your work. And that's basically it. You are now set to make the most of GPT-4 Turbo within Microsoft Copilot. Remember, this tool can significantly enhance your productivity by offering timely insights and creative responses as you work. Take your time becoming familiar with its offerings, and don't hesitate to explore the full range of its capabilities. By integrating this AI into your workflow, you're opening doors to a more streamlined and innovative way of working. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other videos for more insights and tips on how to optimize your tech tools. Happy exploring!